Do you want to easily elevate stiffness in your thoracic spine at home? First, we need to determine whether the rotation or extension is the stiffest movement. How do you check the range of motion for rotation? First, sit on a stable chair, preferably front of the large mirror. Then cross your arms over your shoulders. Begin rotating your torso with the arms held horizontally at both sides, and as you rotate your body to the left, observe how far the elbow reaches relation to your thigh on the rotating side. If your elbow extends over the thigh line, your mobility is relatively good. And compare whether the mobility is the same when rotation to the right and left. If the rotation is limited, for example, only reaching to the midline of the body, or there is a significant difference between the two sides, it's worth focusing on rotational exercises. And how do you check the range of motion for extension? Do this. Cross your hands behind your neck and then begin to extending your thoracic spine by lifting your elbows significantly towards the ceiling. If you feel the greatest limitation in this movement, then it's worth incorporating extension exercises into your routine. And when you do the movement, test it like this. If there is a clear restriction, the elevation is like this. Here are some simple exercises for the improving thoracic spine rotation. Half kneeling twist. If you want the easier version, then place the leg next to the wall in front. Have 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle. Then place your hands facing forward and then start doing the rotational movement as far as you can go. Like this. If you want a heavier exercise, then change the leg's position. So the lumbar spine will be blocking this kind of movement. And when you do it this leg forward, then the rotational movement is way more stiffer. So start with the easier, then continue to the hardest one. Seated elbows. Sit on a firm surface. Place your hands like this, get good posture, and then start pushing your hand towards as far as you can go and pull your opposite hand backwards as far as you can go and do this kind of movement. Don't shrink your shoulders, try to keep them relaxed and keep your head at the neutral plane, because if the head starts to move during the rotational movement, then we don't get the movement to the chest spine. So this is blocked, this is blocked. Only thing what rotates is the chest. Figure 0 with the stick. Place the stick like this. Then think about the end of the ball. Start doing the 0 like this. Or you can do the opposite side. And then try to extend your chest. Or you can place the stick right in here. Or do the opposite side. And here are some simple examples for the exercises to improve in thoracic spine extension. Towel row under the back while lying down and use the pillow if needed. Take the towel and roll it. The bigger the towel, higher the roll, the more extension it will going to provide. And it's really important that it's not causing any pain. Then place the towel, roll to ground. Then place the sacrum, lumbar spine, chest and neck top of the towel. If you are not able to relax your neck, then use the towel underneath. If you want to do the movement simultaneously, then just start using your hands like this and go as far as you can go, or you can do it one side per each. exercises with the balls. With two lacrosse balls you can do easily extension. So place them down like this. Get your spinosus process between those balls. And then lie down, place your hands to the ceiling and then start moving your hands. And try to find the stiffest part. If you are not able to relax your neck, then get pillow underneath the neck. And if the balls feels in this kind of surface too rough, then start in the bed, then continue to the harder surface. Or if you want to force bit that extension, then go to your toes, place the hands to your neck, place the elbow as high as you can, and then start dropping your heels down, and you will going to get good extension movement to your chest. When doing the exercises, find great song that lasts 3 to 4 minutes. Choose the most comfortable and enjoyable exercise and do it for the 30 seconds interval with breaks in between. Remember, there should not be no pain during the exercises, and if it starts to cause pain, then the muscle tenses up, which will limit your range of motion. If you have one-sided muscle knot and you need to have that open, a recommended video will be in here. Thank you for your time.